In this problem, we're looking at the cost of parking. It's $3 per hour, but it's rounded up to the nearest half hour. Create a chart from 0 to 4 in steps of 0.2. Okay, so I've created that over here. First thing would be to find the nearest half hour. That's a ceiling function. Take your hours and round it up to the nearest half, so 0.5. So 0 stays at 0, 0.2 would round up to half an hour, 0.4 stays at half an hour, 0.6 rounds up to 1 whole hour. So you end up with multiples of halves. And then $3 per half hour would be 3 times, get the ceiling function number. And then we're going to do that same work, but all in a single formula. So let me get these hours, copy them over. And then the charge would be start with the ceiling function of your cell and to the nearest 0.5. And then once you have that, multiply it by 3. Ceiling, start with the A2 value, multiply by 3. Got it. Okay, 2.8. 2.8 pounds had a charge of $9. 3 pounds should also be $9. 3.2 pounds rounds up to 3.5 pounds. Cost is 10.5. And finally, create a graph. That'll be easier to do over here, just the hours and the charge. So now you can see that this is what we call a step function, that when you near a half hour, the cost jumps up. That is function 1, which is letter C.